See, honey, he likes to go in the water and then up in the sand. He comes home so messy. He's looking to see I'm following. Now, look at that. I wish you could see how messy he is. I haven't been in the ocean. And he's just booking it. Happy, happy, happy dog. Running fast, running fast. Oh, now in the big sand. I can't even see him now. He does not come when we call. You cannot teach him that. Hey John, pick him up one time. Let me show her his stomach, even though he got it cut.
Tough man, we have to show off the ugliest stomach you ever saw.
This is sand and mess. Okay, you can go. Good boy, wait. Oh, buddy.
Stick your nose in the sand.
Are you ready to go home, Tuffy? Huh?